Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. So here I am again with a here myself Viraj Gandhi Utekar. I am again with third topic of an artificial intelligence subject. So before going into this topic, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. So without wasting the time, let's go to the third topic of AI, artificial intelligence. So in this, from the previous two topics, we have understand how the AI system works. So basically, from that we had much knowledge about what is actually the system. Now the system is a I would like to define the system, it would be the system is a main backbone for the user who reduces the workload of an your day-to-day task of an users. So that's why AI systems have defined the system as an intelligent system, because the intelligent person has shared their knowledge into this system and made that system capable to solve the complex problem of users to take their workloads on this system, so that so that the complex problems can be solved within the time without any human intervention. That's why system. So as we are daily used to with this system. So these systems uh, do our daily routine work. So basically, what exact the system to talk about the system is, the system is pre instruction already been set into this system. If I talk that already, if I like to give an example, if we purchase any device, so already there have been pre-built software, so that makes an system work. So these are the pre-built softwares who make an entire system work. So these pre-built softwares are already been, there is an instruction set in this system, so they can understand the input of a system and give the output according to the user requirement. So this is what exactly the system is. Now whichever the device we purchase, there will be the pre-built instruction set into the system, so that that system would able to understand the user input and will give the output according to the, by performing an operation, it will give the output to the users according to the his requirement. So this is how the system. So if there is no pre-built instruction set, the system is just like a toy. How in the toy, if you did not put any battery, or if you do not rotate the key of a toy, it will not move. So that is how the system is. System is just an artificial thing. So when there is any instruction set into that system, it when we will give the life to that system, then only that system will work, then only that system will give the response into the live environment. So this is how the system, if this is what exactly the definition of a system is, and AI also have defined that similar way only. So this is how, when there is a proper set of an instructions into the system, then only the system will have the capability to understand the scene, live environment, and according to that the instruction set into the system, the system will give the response into the live environment. So now we have understand what is a definition of a system. So this is next we'll understand what is a knowledge based system. So as we have as I have told that there is a pre-built instruction set into the system. So where exactly it is been stored? So from this diagram you will understand the system, the informations are being stored in the knowledge base. Instructions are being stored in the knowledge base. Now the instructions are being stored in the such a way that it will collect the input from the live environment, and it will capture the live environment, and it will create the uh, fact and rules, and it will store into this fact memory and rule memory into this knowledge base. So this becomes a knowledge. So according to the system, when moves into the live environment, whatever the object he sees, like if I talk about the live event, that if suppose the ECG machines have the two events, high heart bit rate and low heart bit rate, so this AI system captures this in the form of an facts, and side by side it creates his rule. that yes, when fast heartbeat rate, that means it is a sign of an serious problem. So if it is a slow heartbeat, again it's a problem of a serious problem. That means these are the certain rules have been created side by side. It has been stored into this knowledge base. So whenever the user will give an input to the systems, then the inference engine will go into this knowledge base, and the according to the given input, it will understand whether the related facts and rules are being stored into this knowledge base or not. If the related how we will find, he will first retrieve the instruction present into this both uh, uh, facts and the rule memory, and he will make the inference engine will try out to make a conclusions. Now the conclusions, if he finds that it is according to the user input, then he will execute that conclusion and he will give the response into the live environment. So this is how the knowledge based system is being used by the AI system. So AI systems, all the instruction set are being stored into the certain locations of the system, and that location is known as a knowledge base systems. So this is the blue one part is known as important. This is a main act like the as a act like the main important storage data, like database. So all the information or instructions or algorithms are being stored into this knowledge base, whatever by the said by the engineer. And this knowledge base, the AI systems will understand the live scenarios, and according to the instruction set, it will retrieve with the help of an inference engine and make the conclusion of it. And if the retrieved information matches with the live scenario, it will execute that and it will give the response into the live environment. So this is exactly what is defined by the knowledge based system. Thank you.